Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be doing a dupe of this glass clotche that I found online at Z-Gallerie. It was regularly $99, and as you can see, it's on sale for $74.25. And I found this clotche last year at the thrift store for $4. And I'm going to be duping it. So I'm going to try to create the marble look on the base, and the problem is that little I don't know what you call it, the indented part of the base. That's going to be my problem. So come along as I dupe this clotche. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this marble contact paper that I had left over from one of my other projects, and I'm just gonna make a circle. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am Mrs Vee. My channel focuses on budget-friendly home decor, budget-friendly just ideas for everyday living. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. And if you think someone that you know would be interested in seeing this video, please share it. Give me a big thumbs up. That is if you like the video and like saving money. And also tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload videos on Mondays and Thursdays. And this video also is in participation with the Look for Less challenge that's being hosted by Yami over at the Latino Next Door. She started this challenge last year and she took a break, and now she's back. Yay! I love this challenge because I love high end, but I also like budget friendly decor. So I'm always interested in participating in this challenge. And she has a different host every month, and this month is the beautiful Natalee from Design to the Nine. She does a lot of dupe videos, so it's very appropriate for her to be a host. So I'll have these ladies' links in the description box, and I also have a link to the playlist. So I'm going to continue working on this clotche. So I came up with the idea to just go ahead and paint the base white. So that's what I'm going to do here. Okay, I have the base all painted white. I did 2 coats of paint. I could have saved some of the paint by not painting the area where this contact paper is going to go, but oh well. So everybody, this is my duped clotche, my Z-Gallerie duped clotche. Almost exact as the picture. It's almost. So what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. This is a vignette that I created for another challenge, and I just went ahead and added the clotche here. So I want to thank everyone for tuning in to my video. This is Mrs Vee. As I always say, I'm gonna continue to show you love. And I'm going to help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.